Guys, if you want to update WhatsApp status, then one status time is only 30 seconds, sometime which felt very less time. So there are a method due to which we increase the status time and update the status more than 30 seconds. Before started, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get updated from my new and interesting videos. For this, first your mobile must be rooted and the second the app which I use. The link of the app is given in the description. So in the app you see multiple option. The option which I use by fast 30-second video limit for status. Check on it and then click set 10 hour. Then again go to that video which you want to upload the status. Now you seen that the limit is increased. Now you can upload the video with the more than 30 seconds.